eBay will actually pay you to sell stuff on their platform. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. We're back in the car this morning. I got my coffee. All set, just out here enjoying the morning. It's a little foggy this morning, but that's okay. We get a lot of that here. On today's video, I wanted to talk to you about a program that I just stumbled upon. It's been on eBay for decades, and I should have known about it, and I guess I just never thought about it, but it's an affiliate program. You know, a lot of big companies have affiliate programs where actually they allow you to create what's called an affiliate link. And if you can get people to click through that link and buy merchandise you're promoting through that affiliate link, you get a small commission payment. Well, eBay has an affiliate program too, just like Amazon does. And it's called the eBay Partner Network. And I just signed up for it yesterday. It took about 24 hours. You do have to get approved because they're going to look at your account, make sure you're a legitimate eBay seller or whatever. And they get back to you, I think, within 24 hours. And you get approved or disapproved. I don't know the criteria for approval or denial. I've never heard of anybody getting denied. So I think there's a pretty good chance you could probably get in. I mean, I got in with a new account. I attached this to a brand new account that's only a couple of months old. It's got a feedback rating of like 40. And I got in with no problem. But it's a great program if you just want to make some extra money. Now, will you get rich making this kind of money? Probably not. But, you know, who knows? Stranger things have happened, right? But if you just want to make some extra money, then give it a shot. It's absolutely free to apply for. Just go to eBay, log into your account, and up in the help section, there's a little help tab up there that you can type in eBay Partner Network, or you could do a Google search or whatever. But, you know, it's a way that you can promote anything on eBay, whether you sell it or somebody else is selling it. If you promote that URL link and you make a little tiny little link in the system, it allows you to do that. It has a link shortener already built into it to where, you know, it's not a URL link that's, you know, 5,000 characters. You can promote anything that sells on eBay. And if somebody goes through your affiliate link, you get a small commission payment. Now, eBay pays once a month. So if you started this in March, you would see payments in April. And there is a minimum threshold payment that eBay requires. It's $10. You have to generate at least $10. But if you don't generate $10 the first month, hey, it'll roll over to the second month and it'll just keep rolling over until you do generate $10. So you never lose anything. But it's just a great way that you can make extra money. And the great thing about it is they attach computer cookies to it. Not a cookie you eat, but a computer cookie to it. So it remembers that data. So let's say somebody goes in through your affiliate link and buys something from you and you get paid for that commission. Well, if they buy anything else, whether it's through you or through someone else on eBay's massive network, you know, their whole entire website, you get commission for that sale. I believe the cookie is 24 hours. I could be totally wrong. It could be 36, 48. I don't know. I'm sorry. I didn't take the time to research it before I did this video because I just had the thought, you know, I ought to do a video about this. And I didn't have time to look it up. Sorry. Even if they don't buy what you're promoting, let's say you're promoting a pair of sunglasses for 20 bucks. And they say, I don't need a pair of sunglasses. I got 50 pairs of sunglasses. But, you know, I do need printer paper and I do need printer ink. Whatever they buy, if they've gone through your link, that cookie remembers that and you still get credit for the sale. Awesome. So, you know, you can promote this on any platform that allows affiliate links. You can promote this on, you know, any social network that allows that. You can promote it on Twitter, on Facebook, on YouTube. You know, if you have a YouTube channel, you know, anything that will allow affiliate links. Now, if they don't allow affiliate links, don't go promoting it on there. You know, you want to stick to the rules and, you know, don't try to circumvent the system or anything. You might get banned or thrown off the platform. But anywhere you can promote this, hey, go ahead and do it. And who knows? It's just free money in the bank. The only thing is, you got to remember, and this is actually a law that's on the books. If you do promote it on any platform, you have to identify that link as an affiliate link. In other words, you have to tell people, hey, this is an affiliate link and I get paid a small commission if you use it. You know, something along those lines that identifies it as such. I'm promoting 3 stores, 3 eBay stores. 2 of mine, 1 belongs to my wife. I basically put some verbiage down there, full disclosure. I can't remember the exact verbiage, but basically it says something like, you know, the above links are eBay affiliate links, and if you purchase anything through them, we get paid a small commission at no additional cost to you. And that's something you want to put in your verbiage too, because there used to be a rumor going around a lot of years ago where if you use somebody's affiliate link, they'd actually end up paying more for the item than if they didn't. Well, that was hogwash. You know, I don't know where that rumor came from, but it's not true. Give it a shot. You can use the extra money for food, for bills, for gas. I don't know what it's like in your town, but over the past month, gas has gone up 50 cents a gallon here. I used to pay $2.29 a gallon. Now I'm paying $2.79. It's unbelievable. Oh, we got a crow. He wants to be on my video, I guess. But listen, I just wanted to pass that on. Make some extra money. Get hooked up with the eBay Partner Network if you sell on eBay. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did, just remember to smash that like button. It really helps the channel. I really appreciate it. And I guess that's it for now. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye for now.